Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Landrover Discovery. So from any screen there, it's on nav at the moment. What we need to do, go to your music, click play music. That's the track that's playing. I'm going to turn it down, but if you look at the silver triangle and the three silver circles there at the bottom, click on there, you'll see iPhone and Landrover. The tick's next to Landrover, which means anything that plays, any audio that plays on your phone, whether it be iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, or the soundtrack from a YouTube video, it will play through here if you've got it set right. Now we go over to the media settings. You'll see there's a kind of a clapperboard and a note. If we click on that,
Newbury 335,
sorry, just turn that down a second. That's on radio, but we want it on Bluetooth. So source is up here. You click on source, and then Barry's iPhone 13 or whatever your phone's called, you'll see it there. That's playing now. It's the same track, and I'll just click play again. That's it. That's how you stream audio.